Why do our eyes twitch? Causes and remedies explained. Have you ever felt that odd, sudden spasm in one or both of your eyelids? It can be surprising, mysterious, and sometimes downright annoying. This phenomenon is called eye twitching, or if you prefer a more scientific term, myokymia. While it might feel unsettling, the good news is that most cases of eye twitching are harmless. In this video, we'll explore what causes eye twitching, the common triggers you can look out for, and effective remedies you can try at home. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident in managing and understanding those unpredictable twitches. Let's dive right in. Eye twitching refers to the involuntary spasms or movements of the eyelid muscles, typically in the upper or lower lid. These twitches may feel sudden and rapid, often coming and going without warning. Most people describe it as a rhythmic fluttering or a slight pulsing sensation in their eyelids. It's crucial to know from the start that eye twitching, in nearly all cases, is harmless. However, understanding what triggers these spasms can help you prevent them in the future or act when they occur. At its core, eye twitching occurs because the muscles responsible for your eyelid movements misfire. They contract involuntarily, often influenced by factors in your body or environment. While perfectly normal, these spasms can sometimes become frequent or prolonged, catching your attention and sparking concern. Let's break down the most common causes of eye twitching and the lifestyle factors often behind them. Stress is one of the most common causes of eye twitching. When you're feeling tense or anxious, your body's nervous system can go into overdrive. This overactivity may trigger minor muscle spasms, including twitching in the eyelids. Think of it as your body's way of expressing its overload. If you've been burning the midnight oil or not getting sufficient rest, you're putting extra strain on your eye muscles. Tiredness can make the muscles around your eyes more prone to misfiring, which can lead to twitching. Consistent, quality sleep often helps these twitches fade away. Overconsumption of caffeine or alcohol can overstimulate the muscles, including those in your eyes. Both substances act as stimulants in the body, and when taken in large quantities, they might cause unwanted spasms in sensitive muscles like your eyelids. In today's digital world, many people spend hours glued to screens. Whether at work, school, or home, prolonged screen use can strain your eyes, causing fatigue. This strain may result in muscle spasms or worsen existing twitching. If you find yourself blinking more or rubbing your eyes, it may be connected to this strain. When your whole body feels drained after intense physical work or a long day, your eye muscles may also show signs of exhaustion. Combined with stress or sleep deprivation, this can lead to the twitching you notice. If your eyes are dry, whether from prolonged screen exposure, allergies, or external irritants like dust or pollution, they may twitch as a response. Keeping your eyes hydrated with eye drops or avoiding irritants can help reduce this. In very rare cases, eye twitching can point to an underlying neurological condition. These conditions include disorders like blepharospasm, uncontrollable blinking, or hemifacial spasm, spasms impacting one entire side of the face. Here's when you should take eye twitching more seriously. If it persists for weeks without subsiding. If it's accompanied by other symptoms, such as drooping eyelids. If you notice vision changes, such as blurriness or double vision. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it's a good idea to consult a medical professional for further evaluation. The great news is that most eye twitches resolve on their own within a few days or weeks. However, when you want to speed up relief or feel proactive about managing the condition, there are several effective remedies you can try at home. One of the most effective ways to stop twitching is by reducing stress levels. This might mean practicing mindfulness, meditation, or yoga. These methods help calm your nervous system, which may reduce involuntary muscle spasms. Getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night can do wonders for your overall health and your eye health. If twitching keeps happening, take a closer look at your sleep routine and ask whether you're giving your body enough rest to recover. If you've been overindulging, try reducing your intake of coffee, tea, energy drinks, or alcohol. A slightly lower dose can significantly calm overstimulated muscle movements. Your eyes, like any muscle, benefit from regular breaks. Follow the 20-20-20 rule when working on a screen. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This pause helps prevent screen-related eye strain and gives your eye muscles a moment of relief. Applying a cold compress, like a chilled cloth, or a warm one to the affected area can relax the working muscles. Try switching between warm and cold to see what feels most soothing during an episode of twitching. In most cases, eye twitching is temporary and manageable using the remedies above. However, for some individuals, chronic twitching becomes a persistent problem that disrupts daily life. It's also worth noting that consistent twitches may stem from an underlying condition that requires specific treatment or follow-up with a neurologist. The best way to deal with eye twitching is to minimize its occurrence in the first place, by adopting some straightforward habits mentioned above. Practice good eye hygiene. Wash your face and eyes regularly, especially if exposed to irritants like dust or allergens. Maintain balanced nutrition. Sometimes, deficiencies in substances like magnesium can lead to muscle twitching, so ensure your diet is rich in essential minerals. Now it's your turn. Have you experienced eye twitching recently? What helped you manage it? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more educational health content.